see once Christian used up Grant a bit, he's been able to drive away from him, so get a little desperate late to go, and that's what Lane Riggs is trying to do now, but look for Gray's going to the bottom.
Has been able to make some good time on that outside, coming down for the white flag.
Majeski sees the white flag right there. They're still beating and banging off each other back there for third.
Majeski wanted to see that white flag. He's looking at his mirror thinking all this craziness going on. No more cautions, please, as Joe Shear said.
Majeski has dominated this race a year ago. Saw the win in sight only to lose it. He makes his way around this racetrack, checker flag in the air. Majeski makes it 2 in a row and wins the season finale.
Hell of a job, buddy. Hell of a job. Nice work there, guys. Good recovery. Good day. Good step in the right direction. Big picture here, guys. Going around for a championship. Thank you, guys. You guys are all badass.
That's what it's all about. Going and running for a championship.
How exciting. Regular season now in the books. The agony of defeat.
Yeah, great effort, though, all year long by Tanner Gray and his team. I know tonight didn't go like he would have liked, but they certainly put the effort in.
Well, think about how much ground he made up. I mean, he was way behind early and not even competitive. Was able to drive up to the 12th position, gave himself a shot at it.
Certainly gave us a great show. Something to watch. He stayed in the hunt. I think made Daniel Dye a little bit more nervous than he wanted to be at some points.
This is Mr. Short Track here, isn't it?
Yeah, is this 2 in a row for him?
2 in a row, and guess where we're going next?
His own track.
His own track.
I wouldn't be surprised to make it 3 in a row.
Me either. And then Bristol. He's won at Bristol before. And this, as you mentioned earlier, this first round really lays out well for Majeski.
Polish victory lap, celebrating the history of Alan Kulicki.
Now Daniel can breathe.
Does that after every win. That's awesome. Daniel Dye, look at the big smile on Danny's face. I mean, I didn't see this coming 6 months ago, Phil. He didn't get off to a great start this season, but man, they turned the corner at some point. He and Blake Rainridge really have come together, and they have put some fast trucks on the track.
You see Majeski still doing the Polish victory lap, left side of your screen. And one thing we didn't mention at IRP, that when Joe Shear won that race, that broke a 3-way tie for second, all-time crew chief wins. And he's going to add another one to it now.
What relief Daniel Dye's feeling right there. Joe Shear and Majeski are just feeling joy for another great win.
Maybe just as happy,
yeah.
That young man on the right side of your screen.
No one's ever did what he did before, right? No one's ever bumped in the last race of the playoffs.
First time
ever. That's an amazing stat.
Majeski, the 29-year-old from Seymour, Wisconsin. Beautiful Polish victory lap. There's his crew. He's going to have a party right there in the front stretch.
Showed so much patience, though.
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
Michael and I ran out of patience watching him be patient.
It just shows you how smart, how tactful he was in order to understand where he was and how to get where he's going.
And he was very intentional when he decided to turn up the whip.
He went
Josh Sims got a fired up winner in Majeski.
Talk about fired up. Majeski entering the postseason with 2 straight wins to end the regular season. Given the way this race ended for you last year, where you saw it slip away in the final laps, how does that shape the feeling on this victory back here at Richmond?
Oh, it feels good. We've had great 4-sport trucks here at Richmond the last 2 years. Found different ways to lose them, and we tried to do it again tonight. Another mistake. We really need to clean that stuff up before playoff time, but so proud of these guys sticking behind me. Soda Sense, local sponsor from my hometown, Seymour, Wisconsin. So cool to see it come full circle. They've been a huge supporter of mine. All our partners, though, Curb Records, Road Ranger, wouldn't be able to do without duking around the Thorson. They gave me a huge opportunity a few years ago, and I'm having the time of my life racing for this team. Proud of these Thor Sport Racing guys. We work so hard at the shop. We're proud to do this from Sandusky, Ohio, and we're going to try and bring another trophy back home.
Ty Majeski, your winner at Richmond. Amanda?
Danny, I'll tell you this.